Hello everybody, Paul Richards here with PTZOptics. I want to show off the brand new Wirecast Gear in action. The Wirecast Gear is a super affordable live streaming appliance that starts at just $5,000. And this is actually the 110, which features 4 HDMI inputs, but they also offer an HD-SDI version with 4 HD-SDI inputs. Both models offer seamless integration with the PTZOptics cameras, and what this allows you to do is to have a single camera operator broadcaster like myself here control multiple cameras. So what that allows you to do is with one, or we suggest really 2 cameras so that you can fade back and forth between the 2 cameras, you can now have multiple camera views and just have a single camera operator running the entire show. So let's give you a little tour of what this solution can do. So when we're setting up a live streaming broadcast system using the Wirecast Gear or any system, you want to have camera control be as seamless as possible. Now with Wirecast Gear, we can actually bring in the video via 3 different options. We can do actually 4 different options. We can actually plug it directly in via USB. And some of our models offer a USB 3.0 integration. I don't know if you can see that there behind me, but we'll show that in more detail. We can also do HDMI, so we can bring HDMI directly into the system. We can do HD-SDI, which is great for long cable runs. And then we can actually bring in an IP video stream using the web streaming services in Wirecast specifically, but keep in mind that you do need the professional studio version of Wirecast in order to bring in those streaming IP cameras as well, which sometimes for some people, especially with our brand new PoE injectors for our cameras and PoE built into the SDI models, it's an easy way to run cabling, power, and video directly to the PTZ cameras. So with that being said, we've got a lot of different ways to bring in the video, but how do we handle control? Well, there's 2 different options. There's actually 3 different options. So we have our RS-232 joystick. This uses a traditional serial cable. If you have traditional Sony cameras in place, maybe standard definition, older Sony cameras, you can still use the same RS-232 cabling in place with this joystick and then replace it with a high definition PTZOptics camera. The other option we have is doing all the IP control over an IP joystick. So all you have to do is have the camera on the same network as this IP joystick, and now you can have all of your camera control done over the network. That's the easiest way. If you're already using the camera for IP video, you can do IP control at the same time, no problem. So those are our 2 joystick options. And then we also have camera control software, which can actually be installed directly onto the Wirecast Gear Windows operating system that offers some really nice camera control options, such as a visual preset layout. So you can take a picture of your live streaming layout and then actually just click where you want the camera to go. That's great, especially for churches if they have volunteers, so that people come in, they might not know how to use a joystick or operate an IR remote control, but you can literally just tell them, just click where you want the camera to go. So the camera control software is extremely popular and allows you to name presets and do a lot of advanced settings. So now let's talk about some other features inside Wirecast. So the Wirecast Gear is a great solution for anyone looking for a hardware-based live streaming video production system that they know they can rely on. It comes with support from Wirecast, and Wirecast is actually based in the United States. So they're on the West Coast, they're open for Pacific Standard Time hours, but you have someone who you can call right away on the phone if you have an issue. It also includes a 2-year warranty, and the hardware is really made with no moving parts. So the solid state hard drive inside has no moving parts, the capture card has no moving parts, and there's even space for proper ventilation, and there's a fan inside, so you really know you're going to get a great piece of hardware. In fact, they're using the latest Intel Skylake processors with an i7, so everything is maxed out to be able to not only stream to YouTube and Facebook, but even other destinations as well, and record locally so that you can have a local version of your live stream and your broadcast. So by adding just a couple PTZOptics cameras to the Wirecast Gear, or even just a Wirecast computer, or computer running Wirecast, you can set up a multi-camera live streaming setup basically with TV production quality without the TV budget. So I highly suggest that you check out Wirecast on the telestream.net website, and check out PTZOptics at PTZOptics.com. Give us a call. We can walk you through the integration, which is really seamless, all the way up to 1080p 60 frames per second, which is broadcast quality. And it's a really great integration, and we hope that you guys check out this solution. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, and take care, everyone.
Click to watch another exciting PTZOptics video, and don't forget to subscribe. Tune in Fridays at 11 a.m. Pacific, 2 p.m. Eastern to join our live show with new industry experts interviewed every week.